AutoLeap's digital estimate approval allows you to fast-track your customer's decision to accept your proposed services. Get instant customer authorization so you can keep working without losing momentum. Simply send the estimate to your customer via text or email. You can also support the estimate by sending a digital inspection report directly through AutoLeap. This increases trust and transparency between you and your customer. Your customer will be able to instantly view the estimate from any device and review all the recommended services. They can choose to approve or defer each service on the estimate. Next, they will be prompted to submit their digital signature to authorize the approved services so you can operate with full peace of mind. You will receive notifications on all orders that are approved so you can start work faster. Save time and give your customers the transparency they value with AutoLeap's digital estimate approval. AutoLeap, the one-stop solution for all your shop management needs. Book a demo today.